Hi, welcome to a new video on this channel. So today is a pretty special video because we're sort of going to switch it up a bit. Normally I review and talk about analog and mechanical watches like my Tissot or my Ingersoll, but today we're going to change it up a bit and we're going to talk about a smartwatch. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2, and in this video we are going to unbox it, and then we're going to do a first impressions and a sort of breakdown of the key features of this watch. So I hope you all enjoy. Please like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Alright, so we've got the watch here, and I'm going to just start off by unboxing the watch. So let's open it up here. We get the watch presented like this. It's in this sort of, it's very hard to see because it's so dark, but yeah, you can kind of see it here. There's this round little box here, and the watch is wrapped around this this pouch. So if we take out this this pouch, and we can open it up, and we see we've got the charger in here. The wireless charging pad is presented here. Yeah, so first thing done. And then there's the actual watch, which is presented around this this box. It sort of sits around it like this in the box. But we've taken it out now, and yeah, it's been clasped. I have opened this before, as you can probably tell, but yeah, I've just put it back in the box so that we can get some sort of like unboxing experience. I don't know. So here it is. Here's the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. Yeah, it's pretty compact. It's pretty small. It feels very nice to the touch. The cold aluminium is nice, and yeah, I'll just put it on the wrist, and I can show you how it looks. So now I'll put it on the wrist. So here it is. Got it right here, and as you can see, it fits very well. It's very comfortable. I mean, you can't see that it's comfortable, but I can tell you it is. And it's I also noticed that it's very light because of the aluminium body. It's noticeably lighter than my mechanical watches because there's obviously less metal, and the metal that is used is generally a lot lighter. So it feels very sporty, and it's very easy to wear. And yeah, I do like the fact that I can change the watch face to anything I want. Oh, I need to enter the code. So if we double tap it, it normally just comes on when you do that. But it's hard to do when I have to show it like this because it automatically goes off when I have my wrist turned away from my face. When I turn it around, you'll see if I move the camera that it's on. So my first impressions of this watch are very, very positive. It seems like a watch that would serve any sort of sporty person, someone who spends a lot of time outside maybe, or a lot of time working out, maybe running, jogging, anything like that. This watch would be optimal for that. And yeah, it's just because of the light build and the sturdy construction, and of course this rubber band seems to be very sturdy and very comfortable around the wrist. So my first impressions of this watch are very positive. So now I've taken the watch off because I'm going to try to show you some features of this piece, because most people buy their smartwatch because of the amazing amount of like smart features, like measuring your heartbeat, your sleep, and stuff like that. And I've only had this watch for a day, so I've only measured one cycle of sleep. But I can sort of show you how it works. So if I go onto the watch face, there it is. Then you use your finger to go around here. You get all your notifications here. I've got Snapchat on here. And if you go to the other way, you'll get to here is your heartbeat, which is that heart, your sleep at the bottom, your stress at the top, and your steps. Your stress at the right, and your steps at the top. So you can see you've got a lot of information on one screen. So if I swipe to the left again, you've got loads of different. Oh, yep, that happens when you take it off your wrist. It sort of locks itself because it realizes it's not on your wrist, and it doesn't want anyone else to access the features because it's obviously private. So we've got the different type of workouts like cycling and running and swimming, stuff like this. I am receiving a call from my mum, but yeah, I'm not going to answer that now. There we go. I just denied that call on my watch, which is another feature. So you can swipe to the right again. I've put weather here, so you can see there's 3 degrees where I live, and there's clouds. Boring. Here is, I think they're sort of notifications. I'm not really sure. I haven't really tested this one out. But the next one is stress, and you can measure that by pressing the bottom here, which is a button that says measure, and it measures your heartbeat and your stress level, and you can tell how stressed out you are in any situation, and it sort of updates itself every now and then. So you can just swipe along to this screen, and you can see your stress level, which is very, very convenient. So yeah, your sleep is here. I got 9 hours 23 minutes last night. If you go to the right again, you get to your applications. So you press the middle, and you get to all of them, and then you can swipe through them using going around the screen. You swipe through all your apps. So that very, very smooth, no lag. That's one thing I love about this watch. There is no lag. Basically, it's completely fluent. It's no lag. It's absolutely brilliant. So yeah, that's my first impressions of this watch. I think it's a sporty, brilliant, fast, fun watch for anyone. Well, anyone really. I mean, if you do a small amount, medium-ish amount of training or exercise, I would highly, highly recommend this watch. And it's a lot cheaper than the alternatives from Samsung, like the Galaxy Watch 3, which is very expensive. In Norway, in my country, it's around £500, while this one you can get for £180, you know? So, yeah, it's very, very, very good. I can highly recommend this watch with my first impressions. But I will do a more in-depth review after about a week of me wearing this watch. I'll do a more in-depth sort of review thing, and maybe my decision will change, but for now it's very, very positive. My first impressions are very, very good. So I do recommend this watch for now, but we'll see in the next video. So please hit the like button and subscribe. It means a lot to me to know that you guys like and enjoy the content, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.